today for the Bitcoin and altcoin prices with DaVinci J15. We are here in Tulum, Mexico, and we are going to talk about specifically his top 3 altcoins which are set to explode in March 2021. We are also going to talk about how you can spot these altcoins yourself. We don't only want to sell you the knowledge or whatever, but also the shovels to make this TA yourself, of course. We will be talking about the altcoin season and much more. I want to show you here quickly where we are here at. Actually, it's completely beautiful wooden nets, but we want to go here straight into the content. So before I'm asking you, DaVinci J15, the most important question of today, I want you to urge everyone, if you want more of these videos on the go about altcoins and more, make sure you are scrolling down, you are smashing up the like button towards the new all-time high, subscribing to his channel, leaving your favorite altcoins down below. And with that being said, I want to finally come to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, I told you so. How are you doing today, my man?
In the pipe, 5x5 here in the bird's nest, man. It's awesome. I'm loving it here in Tulum, Mexico. It's just the greatest place to be.
It's so nice.
It's so nice, so nice. And you know what? I love the fact that we keep meeting our fans here. They keep coming down from wherever they are. They come down to visit us. It's amazing, and we really appreciate it.
It's absolutely beautiful. I have never met so many followers like here, like every single day a few. It's completely amazing. But yeah, let's go straight into the content. I know that we have a lot of altcoin believers clicking that video and they want to know what are your top 3 picks for March. Of course, the closer the time frame, the more speculative it is. But maybe we are hitting from these 3 ones, 2 or only 1 good one, and that will make up for everything. So DaVinci, let's start with the first one.
Well, the first one is Band Protocol. Band Protocol is somewhat like Link, right? Chainlink, and basically, you're playing off the Chainlink pump, right? Because Chainlink's going to pump really high, and so it's going to drag all the rest of the same ones that are basically, they're providing information about what's going on in the real world, such as what the price of gold is, what the price of silver is, so that your decentralized app can get that information.
Yeah.
Right. That's important piece. That's important for a decentralized app to get information from the outside world, and that's what these Chainlink and Band Protocol provides. And so I think that it will do extremely well moving up in the future months.
You are here playing the narrative, right?
Exactly.
The narrative of Chainlink. The narrative gain in altcoins is so strong. If you are finding a big one and then a small impersonator, so to speak, who is doing a good job but has a very small market share of the big brother there, like in this case Band and Chainlink, well, you have at least a good likelihood when you're riding the wave of an altcoin season to succeed. So the first one is Band. What is the second one, DaVinci?
The second one is Stake. I like Stake because it's an off-chain protocol, right? The XDAI protocol. What it does is you use the stake to actually keep the XDAI protocol, XDAI chain at $1. Basically, the XDAI.
I hold it myself even for my DeFi portfolio.
So stake goes up and down, right? Whilst the XDAI itself stays stable at $1, and you can use their chain in order to do trades. Now, it is a little bit difficult to transfer your assets over to XDAI. It's a little bit difficult to use the XDAI chain. I've tried it myself, but in time they'll make it a lot easier. And if they do, you can see the stake token definitely rocket to all 9 plus. That's why I'm holding some stake, and I want to get some more actually.
That sounds amazing. I mean, I'm very happy you even know so much fundamentally about them. He's a programmer. Everyone who doesn't know DaVinci, which is probably no one in the world, he is a programmer since he was 14 years old. So he knows the F what he is talking about. Anyway, let's talk about the next one here. And I'm pretty sure that besides fundamentally, you checked out the charts as well, right?
Exactly. Well, Band Protocol, that was at the bottom, priced in Bitcoin, of course. Band was like near the bottom, right? Stake, right, was priced in dollars. It was like moving up. They had it was a U shape, and it's trying to come back down to create a cup and handle formation in the dollar. So yeah, that's what I saw in the last time. Now
that's
Ren,
powerful.
I don't remember the charts on Ren on the third protocol. Or I really like Ren. I have some Ren, and I missed looking at the charts on that one. But yeah, it's Ren is also a DeFi play, so that's why I like it. And the DeFi story is the main story.
That is the narrative,
Altcoins. It is anything with DeFi in it coming into the next altcoin bull run, probably even this one, but I think in the final one is going to make massive gains.
Yeah.
Because that narrative is key. Anything with DeFi will pump incredibly.
Yeah.
So that's why I like Ren, and that's why I have a lot of Ren.
Beautiful.
Well.
And you said you didn't check the chart, so maybe we take this example because we want to teach you how we are examining whether an altcoin is a good buy or not. So how are you doing that just from a technical perspective? If you are opening the altcoin chart for Ren, for example, are you checking out for the 61.8 or a double bottom? What are your specific measurement tools here?
Well, first thing, I don't like buying highs. Anything that's already pumped, I'm not interested in buying. I want to buy something that's already come down, something that's low, especially priced in Bitcoin. I want to see it really low priced in Bitcoin. And so I look for something that's come back down. If it's come back down to the 61.8, maybe I'll start nibbling there. Should there be a clear point where there's a resistance level, right, where clear resistance, I'm going to be buying. If not, I'm looking to buy at 78.6. And most of the time, unfortunately, these altcoins, right, these newer altcoins, they always come back to the 88.6 on the Fibonacci level. So
that's a low level.
I know exactly. They come all the way 90% in some cases. So
yeah.
You have to be careful with these alts, right, especially priced in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So those are the bottom levels that I'm looking for to actually buy my alts. Sometimes they don't make it there, and sometimes I'm like, okay, fine. If you don't come down, I'm not buying.
Exactly. I mean, there's so many of them.
There's so many I could go and buy that why should I risk my hard-earned capital, right, on buying highs? But sometimes I do. Sometimes I wait for the 61.8, but I only put a small amount, like for example 0.5%, 0.25% even of my whole portfolio. So it's a lot, but still.
I know. For some people, they think, oh, it's not a lot. Like for me, that's only $2. Why should I do that? That's the beauty about crypto. You can buy for $2, and if that 100x's and your total portfolio is $500, well, you made a 40% right there, right? It's extremely powerful. Thank you so much for that. I wanted to talk about the altcoin season quickly. We are in the first one. We are both of us having the same opinion that we will see 2 altcoin seasons within that bull cycle. First of all, I wanted to incentivize every single one of you, not only to smash the like button, but also scroll down and leave your, let's say, top 3 favorite altcoins. I will be personally going down there and I will check which ones are the most upvoted ones. Leave them down below right now. And now I wanted to know from you, Da Vinci. So we are in the first altcoin season. Is it coming to an end? Where is it ending? And when do you think is the second altcoin season going to start?
Well, I think we're going to be we're still in the middle of the current alt season. I think we're going to see more alts pop, especially since I think Bitcoin might be going into a consolidation phase. You can see it in the charts of the Bitcoin dominance. I was telling everybody, hey, you know what? When we came down to the level where if we break, we're going straight down. Well, you know what? That's a lot of power there, so a lot of pressure there. So we're going to chop sideways for a while. And we have been chopping on the dominance. If you look at it, chopping exactly as I've said, right? And
exactly as predicted.
And then once we start going into the massive alt season, it's just going to fall right through the floor. As you're going to see the altcoins explode massively.
Wow.
Looking forward to that. That's going to be epic. Absolutely
incredible. But guys, if you're watching that, you know we are big Bitcoin believers. You can see it on his chest. It's directly on the heart. This doesn't mean you should be speculating all your Bitcoin in your altcoin portfolio. Take a small part of that, something you are able to lose, your risk capital, and with that you can maximize your Bitcoin. The rest you should be just buying and hodling in your hodling portfolio. Thank you so much for all your thoughts here. Thank you everyone for watching until the very end. The views are going through the roof. Make sure you subscribe to DaVinci J15. Also, I will leave the links down below to Pandora's wallet, to the DJ15 token, DaVinciJ15.com. Yes?
We have a sale going on with Pandora's wallet, so check that out. Right, it's a sale because the reason why we're releasing ERC20 tokens in support now.
Oh, really?
In Pandora's wallet. So
that was a lot of work, right?
Yes, it was, and I'm glad that's done. And yeah, so now the DJ15 token is available in Pandora's wallet, and very soon we're going to be selling it directly, so you don't have to pay those huge Uniswap fees. You're going to be able to buy it directly from us.
Wow, that is beautiful. Make sure you click the link down below. There's a big discount discount going on, and they have now ERC20 tokens, which adds like 1,500 tokens you can use in that wallet, right? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Also make sure you use the links down below. If you want to support us, you get a bonus, we get a bonus. $1,200 completely for free down below in the pinned comment. If you make an account after your initial deposit, you can trade Bitcoin basically for free if you don't touch your own money as an experienced trader. Thank you so much for watching, and with that being said, Da Vinci, do you have any last words to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and do not get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, already today or tomorrow, probably today. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.